Hello, Namaste. Welcome to Vaishu Kannada. This is Vaishu. Imagine you meet a Kannada speaker. How do you ask, how are you in Kannada? Today, I will teach you different ways to ask and answer this question in Kannada with correct pronunciation. Okay, if you are new to this channel, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more easy Kannada lessons. Stay till the end for fun, practice, and challenge. So, let's get started. How to ask how are you in Kannada? The most common way to ask how are you in Kannada is formal. For elders or teachers, we use ನೀವು ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ. Repeat it again. ನೀವು ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ. Next, when we ask informally for our friends or young people, we use ನೀನು ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀಯಾ. Use this with close friends, siblings, or people younger than you. Okay. In casual situations, we use ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀಯಾ in a shorter version for informal situations. Okay. Let's say it together. ನೀವು ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Repeat it 3 times. Okay. ನೀವು ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ನೀವು ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Now try. ನೀನು ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀಯಾ? ನೀನು ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀಯಾ? ನೀನು ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀಯಾ? Next, how to respond to how are you? Now, how do you reply? Here I given basic responses. Okay. First, I am fine. ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ. Next, I am good. ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. When we talk casually, we say I am good. ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ, like that. When you're not in a good mood or you're not well, maybe you had a fever, no, your mind is not good. Like that situation, use I am not well. ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನನಗೆ ಹುಷಾರಿಲ್ಲ. You can use like this word. When you are very happy, we use I am very happy. ನಾನು ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. When you are in a good mood, you say ನಾನು ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Now I will ask question. How are you today? Type your answer in Kannada in the comments. Okay. Say I am fine with me. ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Repeat 3 times. ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Whatever your answer, you comment me in the comment section. Okay. Now, real life situations and role play. The scene 1, a student greeting a teacher in a formal way. Scene 2, two friends meeting informally. Okay. In scene 3, we discuss After a long time, we met someone. We talk it as a casual talk. Okay. Now, let's see when to use these phrases in real life. Example 1, formal way, student and teacher talking. Okay. First, student greeting to sir. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸರ್, ನೀವು ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಟೀಚರ್, ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನೀನು ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀಯಾ? ಟೀಚರ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್. ನಾವು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್, ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ example 2, informally, friends are talking. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್, ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀಯಾ? ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೀನು? ಅಗೇನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್, ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಓಕೆ. ನಾವು example 3, casual meeting after a long time. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್, ಬಹಳ ದಿನಗಳ ಬಳಿಕ ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನೀವು ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್, ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನೀವು ನೀವು ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡ ಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗ್ರೀಟಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ, greetings go beyond just words. Respect. Elders are greeted with namaskara and ನೀವು ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Like that. Family greetings. People often ask, how is your family? And body language is also very important. A smile and respectful tone matters a lot. Do you know any other Kannada greetings? Comment below. Next, quiz. Question 1, how do you ask how are you formally? Question 2, what is the informal way to say it? Question 3, how do you say I'm fine in Kannada? Type your answers in Kannada below. Friends, did you find this lesson helpful? Give it a thumbs up. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care, friends.